I know. Do I really need all of these planners? So let's jump into it. I will show you my planner lineup for 2021. And I'll also show you how I'm using each one of them. I won't be using each one of these every day. So let's just get started. This will be my everyday planner. This is the Fab Planner. This one is available in my shop. Let me just show you. This is how the layout, or my first layout. I'm still adjusting to like a vertical, is it vertical, horizontal, whatever. I'm adjusting to a sideways layout, but so far so good. I really enjoy decorating this. I do have a video showing how I decorated this first spread. So that is number one. This will be like just for my daily everyday plans. And let me also show you the front. I don't think I uploaded this video. The front has like a section to do your vision boards for your home, your style, like just about everything. So this is kind of like my vision board in the front of that planner. And like I used to have a section just for this in my mini happy planner. So these sections in the front, I don't know, it's kind of like a few planners. I don't need all those sections because they're in the front of this planner. So that is my daily. And then I have my bullet journal. And I use this mainly for social media and design ideas, like coming up with sticker ideas and things. And it's not really decorated. This is about the most I'll do in here. But I got into bullet journaling last year, and last year I used this one bullet journal for just about everything. I used this and the micro planner. So in here, let me just show you the different type of layouts. Like I had my daily, which will be in the Fab Planner. Then I had like kind of like a social media layout. That one will stay in the bullet journal. And then each week I did like, I don't know, just a spot to brainstorm ideas. So that will be going in this bullet journal, but I probably won't be doing all of this watercolor. Like this one, it won't be too decorated, and I probably won't share this one. And like this is kind of where I brainstorm ideas. So they're in here listed out and brainstorm before they make it to my daily planner, if that makes any sense. So, and then let me just show you this. This is my micro planner from last year. I pulled some of the stuff out the front, but the rest of it is kind of set up. And I set this up as like a self-care planner. Let me show you. It has like my daily supplements and my skincare routines, daily affirmations, my little morning routine. And let me see, do I have the little, I made a little insert for this, but I never used it. It didn't really work for me. Oh yeah, I had this little insert with little check boxes for if you did your morning routine every day, your skincare routine, if you ate healthy, exercise, mani-pedi, nighttime routine. Like it was a good idea. I think it was just too small to work. But it was just so cute. Like I had so much fun decorating this and putting this together. So it wound up like just a place to put little extra things that didn't fit on my daily, or if I had to make a quick little list, and just a spot to hold die cuts and cute little things. I don't know, it turned into just a fun little project. So I am going to keep this as a fun project because this little planner, it is fun just to decorate. So I don't know, do any of you have just a for fun planner? Oh, and I got this cover from the name of the shop. I don't have her card anymore. The name of the shop is Kids Accessorized. I'll put the link in the description box. But this little cover was very reasonable. I paid like under $20 for it. It's kind of dirty now, but it was very reasonable. So I will be redoing this, but I'm not going to use it as a self-care planner. It'll just be just for fun, and also a spot to hold extra little die cuts and things. So there is that one. And then this one is not really a planner. This is sort of my daily journal, and this is a handmade traveler's notebook. My dear friend over at Kudo Crafter, she made this for me. It is so pretty. And let's see, this is just kind of like my daily journal, and as you can see, I really have fun making little books for these. I know I started one. I don't know, maybe it's on my other desk. But I've showed my little sticker journals. It's just a little daily journal, and I just put random stickers and things in it. It holds 4, but I made a bunch of them. So that is that. I don't really share this one too much. I like every so often I'll share like the before the pin on Instagram. And then I have the Micro Happy Planner, and this is my memory keeping. This is just about all the memory keeping I managed to do last year. I made a big to-do that I was going to get caught up with Project Life, and I think I did maybe 2 spreads, and I was over it. So I will continue with my memory keeping in here. And I may make a new little cover for this. And then that brings me to this one. This is the Personal Size Recollections Planner. I haven't set it up yet. This is something old. I think I set this up a while back and never took this out. But this was like a little DIY shaker pocket that I made. But I am going to try and use this as my self-care planner. Basically everything I tried to do in this planner, where is it? Like my skincare routines, all of my skincare products. I think I can write more on here. So that is what this will be for. And this is not a planner that I will use every day. Like I may only look at it like if I'm changing supplements or changing skincare products. Like this is not something I'll look at every day, but it's something fun to set up and decorate. So I will have the setup of this coming soon whenever I finish. And then I have my mini happy planner. This one is actually not a part of my lineup for this year. I'm not sure if I am going to use it, but I keep this set up. It doesn't have inserts. It's basically just everything from not even last year, the year before last. And I just keep this set up just in case I hit a planner slump and I just don't feel like planning. Like this is just a go-to. I can pull this out. I don't know, it's kind of just a comfortable go-to spot. So I keep this one set up, and I have the only planner that I have not figured out for this year. I am doing homeschool this year, so I have not figured out a homeschool planner, or if I need a planner. So that may come later if I do set up a planner. If I have any homeschool moms, let me know if you all do like a separate plan. Like how do you do it? Because I am new to this, and I am just, I don't know, trying to get the hang of it. So that is it for my planners for this year and how I will be using all of them. And really I'm only using this one and like my daily journal, because my daily journal can double, like if I just need a quick brain dump or just make a quick to-do list, just something extra that I don't want to write on my spread, it will go in here. So this is really like the everyday, like this will be used every day. So that is it. Let me know what planners you guys are using this year and everything. Let me know if you're even still planning during this quarantine. So, hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned for my next one.